Now, if you're just getting started, I would honestly recommend a budget screwdriver kit. Most budget kits come with interchangeable bits, which means you have pentalobe, tri-point, Phillips, and many other screwdriver heads you will eventually need. It's the cheapest way to get started, and it's more than enough for most beginners. The second thing you need is a heat source. Modern phones are held together with adhesive, so before opening a screen or back glass, you need to soften that adhesive. The cheapest option is a basic heat gun. These work surprisingly well and are more than enough for most beginners. The third tool is a guitar pick. This is one of the cheapest tools in phone repair and one of the most useful. After heating the phone, you need something thin to cut through adhesive. A guitar pick works perfectly for this because it slides between the frame and screen without damaging components underneath. The good news is you probably will not need to buy these separately. Many beginner screwdriver kits already include guitar picks, and a lot of replacement screens come with them as well. For the fourth tool, I'm actually combining two tools. These tools work together, and every beginner should have both. Let's start with the suction cup. If the screen is not cracked and you're trying to save it, a suction cup is usually the safest way to create that first opening gap. One thing I would avoid is the really cheap clear plastic suction cups. They can work, but they are often inconsistent and don't always provide a strong grip. I recommend getting a quality repair suction cup that is specifically designed for phone repairs. It makes the job much easier and saves a lot of frustration. Now, if the screen is cracked, that's where the metal opening tool becomes useful. Broken glass makes it difficult for suction cups to stick properly, so the opening tool helps create that first gap. Just remember, you're not trying to force the phone open with it. You are only creating enough space to slide in a guitar pick and safely separate the adhesive. Both tools solve different problems, which is why I recommend every beginner owns both. And the fifth tool is a plastic spudger. Once you've opened the phone, you need a safe way to disconnect batteries, screens, charging ports, and other flex cable connectors. A plastic spudger is perfect for this. And just like the guitar pick, you may not need to buy these separately. Most beginner kits include them, and many replacement screens come with one in the box. Here's the bonus tool I mentioned earlier, a bottle of 99% isopropyl alcohol. I like putting mine into a needle tip squeeze bottle because it gives much better control. This helps loosen adhesive, clean components, remove glue residue, and make many repairs easier. It's inexpensive, but it can save you a lot of time and frustration. Most beginners don't buy this right away, but once you start using it, you wonder how you ever repaired phones without it. All the tools and parts are linked in the description below. If you're ready to actually start fixing phones, watch this playlist next. It walks you through real repairs step by step so you can see exactly how these tools are used on actual devices.